Hello my beautiful YouTube family, here are some beautiful scarf styles for you. So here we are using a thin scarf and we are rolling it with the beautiful beads necklace. So roll it around the necklace and tie a knot at the end. Like this, and your beautiful look is ready. This is very stylish and very easy to make. I hope you are going to like it. So in the next one again we are using a thin scarf. Tie a knot at its side like this. Now pass the other side through the loop of the knot and set it, and your beautiful look is ready. It is so simple and very beautiful and very easy to make. I hope this slower version is very easy to understand. So again in the next one, wear your scarf. Take both of the sides, roll them. Now tuck behind and make a loop. Now pass both of the sides through the loop to the opposite side, and your beautiful look is ready. All of the looks are so simple and beautiful. So in the next one we are using a square scarf. Take both of the edges and tie a knot behind the neck. Now take the lower side. Now keep on folding like this, and secure the folds with the help of a rubber band. Now pull the edge and set the scarf, and your look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. So in the next one we are using a long scarf again, and wear it around your waist. Now take it from one side and give it zigzag folds, and hold the folds and secure them with the help of a rubber band. Now open the folds and set both of the edges. Let them hanging down, and your look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. In the next one we are using a square scarf. Fold it, wear it around your neck. Now tie a knot, taking its one edge. Now set it and let the rest of the scarf hanging down, and your simply stylish look is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all.